Okay, this is my story how I became a chiropractor. Okay, now 32 years ago, I was a contractor, builder. I built homes, had a cabinet shop, and I'd been that since I was a little kid. Now, I was walking across the street. My buddy was standing right next to me, and a car hits me here. I flip up over, I break my left knee, my right knee, fracture my sternum, and crack my skull. Laying on the ground, I thought I was going to die. Okay, luckily, thank God for emergency medical, they saved my life. Now, when I was in the hospital, they gave me morphine. I'm telling you, if you got broken bones, morphine's the way to go. But I couldn't be a contractor. It was really, really hard to bend and turn. Now, the medical doctors that saved my life, they were brilliant. Okay, but they said that my knees eventually would need to be replaced. They give me drugs to keep me comfortable. I couldn't take the drugs. It was wiping me out. So at the time, I was actually building an x-ray lab for a chiropractor. And sure enough, he's adjusting me with my legs in the wheelchair. And he's saying, no, man, your body's designed to heal. So I had these two professionals, one telling me that they're going to replace my knees, the other one saying, hey, no, your body's designed to heal. So I went to chiropractic college. Now, in there, I'd been away from college for 10 years. And I didn't know if my brain was going to work. And I just couldn't remember things. It was so hard. It was just words on a paper. When I got to human dissection, bam, the light went on. As soon as I touched that body, and I'm talking human dissection, it made sense. I knew exactly what the brachial plexus was. I knew exactly that if you compromise this, where that sensation will go. It was a light bulb coming up. I'm telling you right now, your purpose finds you. I was a really good chiropractor, or carpenter. I loved doing it. I loved building stuff. I still build stuff. But by God, restoring that brain to body connection, eliminating the negative influence on the body, watching human beings heal, watching that divine energy, that's my story. And it's like, I want to say thank you, God, for hitting me with a car. And please, if you want to communicate to me, be a little bit easier. I'll listen more. But I just wanted to tell you a little bit of my story because, I've got a more practical approach, and I want to see how the thing works. So if somebody says this can't be done, or blood pressure disease, or arthritis can't be reversed, that doesn't make sense. The body is designed to heal. The body is always regenerating itself. And if you find the impediment to healing and eliminate that, then the body's going to grow. Find your purpose, or actually, your purpose is going to find you.